Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about DataView.getInt. It's for 60-bit unsigned 16 integer, which is specified by offset from the start. I know you don't get what that means. Let me show you. So, what you need to do is you need to create a typed array, and which will be a cell buffer with the size in bits. So just create a variable called buffer equals the new, use the new operator, and array buffer, use that constructor, and pass 16 inside that. And after that, what we're gonna do is var view equals new data view, and inside that pass buffer. And after that, what we're gonna do is view dot set unit pass the smallest value you can. After that, I'm gonna pass 1, and the highest max 16-bit integer is 655 65535. Yeah, I don't remember that. I just looking and pasting that. A console, log it on a console. View dot get uint 16. So when we do that, it will give you the maximum digit. Hey, wait, I did something wrong. Get, oh, it would be 16. I forgot. Yeah, and now, and we need to pass as a function. It's not a, so yeah, this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.